Have you ever wondered why some stories keep you hooked from beginning to end? It's not just the action or the characters, it's how all the elements come together like puzzle pieces to create something unforgettable. In this video, we're unlocking the secrets behind powerful storytelling, one element at a time. From the setting that sets the stage to the theme that leaves a lasting impact, you'll discover what makes a story truly work. Whether you're a reader, a writer, or just someone who loves a good tale, this is for you. Let's break it down together. The essential elements of a story. 1. Characters. Characters are the people, animals, or creatures that take part in the action of the story. They drive the plot forward and allow readers to connect emotionally. Here are the different types of characters. Main character or protagonist, the central figure in the story. The plot revolves around this character's goals, struggles, and development. Antagonist, the character or force that opposes the protagonist and creates conflict. Supporting characters, other characters who help or hinder the main character, but are not the focus. Dynamic characters, characters who change or grow throughout the story. Static characters, characters who remain the same from beginning to end.
2. Setting.
The setting is the time and place in which a story occurs. It provides the backdrop for the characters and plot and can influence mood, tone, and action. Time includes the historical period, season, time of day, or passage of time. Place, the physical location, which could be real or imaginary. Example, a small village in mountains. Mood or atmosphere, the feeling or tone created by the setting. Examples are eerie, joyful, tense. 3. Plot. The plot is the sequence of events that make up the story. It shows how the characters deal with conflict and how the story progresses. Common plot structure. Exposition. Introduction of characters, setting, and background. Rising action. Series of events that build tension and develop conflict. Climax. The turning point. The moment of greatest tension where the outcome becomes clear. Falling action. Events that follow the climax and begin to resolve the conflict. Resolution or denouement, the conclusion. Conflict is resolved and loose ends are tied up. 4. Conflict. Conflict is the problem or struggle that the main character faces. It creates tension and interest in the story. Here are the types of conflict. Character versus character. A struggle between two characters. Character versus self, an internal struggle within a character, decisions, emotions, etc. Character versus nature, a struggle against natural forces, storms, animals, disease. Character versus society, a struggle against social norms, rules, or laws. Character versus technology or supernatural or fate, a struggle against artificial or uncontrollable forces. 5. Theme. The theme is the central idea, message, or insight about life that the author conveys through the story, often implied rather than directly stated. Can be moral, philosophical, or universal. One story may have multiple themes. Examples of common themes. Good versus evil. The power of friendship. The importance of courage. Overcoming adversity. The danger of greed. Optional but useful elements. 6. Point of view. The perspective from which the story is told. First person. The narrator is a character in the story, such as I and me. Third person limited. The narrator tells the story from one character's perspective. Third person omniscient. The narrator knows the thoughts and feelings of all characters. 7. Tone. The author's attitude toward the subject or audience, reflected in the choice of words and details. Examples are serious, humorous, sarcastic. And there you have it, the essential elements of a story. If you learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a like. Drop a comment below and tell us, what's your favorite story and why? And if you want more lessons like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a storytime breakdown. Until next time, keep reading, keep writing, and keep imagining.